In primetime news this evening, out of touch. Opposition chides finance minister for income tax threshold stance, even as they put forward their own budget plans. Police and residents clash in Old Harbour Bay over security operations. And Kingston's mayor addresses Ward Theatre concerns unearthed in TVJ expose.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up in business news, Caribbean Airlines resumes direct flights from Jamaica to Fort Lauderdale in Florida.
And Giovanni Dennis is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Gio?
Well, you are also in blue, which is the color of Argentina, and the Argentinian maestro, Messi Mania, is here in Jamaica, and Messi Mania is gripping Jamaican football lovers who have been piling up outside the National Stadium from as early as 10 o'clock this morning. I'll have the details of that plus so much more in Primetime Sports.
Is he? Oh, he's also in blue, you know. Not Gio. You're next.
Oh yeah, but I'm just envying those Jamaicans right now at the stadium. But Romaine Robinson is here to tell us what's coming up in the weather report and forecast.
Also in blue.
Thanks, Andrea. Thanks, Archibald. No, we do have some shower activity that is still expected to be lingering across the northern portion of the Caribbean and Jamaica over the next couple of days. So that trough system is not exactly out of our area just yet.
He didn't say anything about the football match, but he's in blue because he has an update. You have to stick around for the weather report and forecast later on, as well as E-Prime and sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the proposals outlined by opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson in his contribution to the budget debate?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X, formerly Twitter, at TVJ News Center. I laugh about Twitter.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.